are going to be building these Lego sets. So right here, I have this carbon freeze chamber. I think that's right. Yep. So from the front, it looks like they've already put him inside it, and they're starting to do the little buttons there. So I just think this is really cool how it like functions and stuff. And then from the back, it looks really cool because it looks like the cover comes off. So it looks like it comes off there too. And it looks like he goes underground somewhere down there because that's how it looks. And then, yeah, Caleb?
Here is my set that I will be building. My set is a 3-in-1 and it has lots of options on the box. And my set is a Space Shuttle Explorer.
So this set also comes with 4 of the neatest minifigures. So we've got Boba Fett, and then Ugnaught, which is going to be a really neat collector's piece. And then we have Han Solo before being frozen, and then another Han Solo in carbonite. So they're going to start working on this one. And then Luke already showed you everything on the back, but this looks like one of the neatest sets. This set, Caleb's going to do at the same time, and its minifigure is this astronaut. And he is really neat looking also.
So we have these cones to block the stuff off so we don't have like, so I don't have like this huge panel in mine. Kind of weird. So I'm gonna take this stuff out. So the first thing I get is the instructions, the put it together stuff, and next I have these bags, that one, and bag 2, and yep, 2 bags. Feels like there's still something. No, that's just a flat. Okay.
So I finished the Space Shuttle Lego set, and how to open it. You set it down and you open it from like the ends, so like that. And it has a ton of cool stuff, like it has this, the satellite I think, and you set this like pole I think or something like that. And then after you put this in it, and then you open that up like that, and then you can just like put it like that, and that's how it collects energy from the sun. and then that's how it goes and powers itself.
Let's see the engines.
And also how to put it back to normal is, here's how you put it back to normal. So I don't want to twist this off. So you're gonna do that, and you're gonna try to pull that off. And then this folds up really easily. And then you can just like, and then you can fold it down like that. And then you fold these flaps up. And then now you put it like right there. Now you close it all up. And now it looks just like a normal plane. It looks really cool.
So this guy goes up here, and then he can work on this, and then back here, you use your hand, and then it does this, and then for fun, you can shake him. He's gonna have a nice freezing time. And then that goes back up here. Sometimes you might want to push it up here, because sometimes this would come out of position. So then on the side, you can take the automatic elevator. Sometimes the sword gets in the way. And then this guy does all the computer stuff. Boop, boop, boop. Almost there. Almost there. That's gone. Boop, boop, boop. Me. Zoom, zoom, zoom. I can't get out. Boom. Boom. He's gone. Sergeant, why did you make that do that? And then you put him out here, and then I'm free. Cliff. And then and then his hands lock up in here. His hands lock on here. And then if I can get his hands to lock, it's a little bit challenging to get his hands to lock. Let's just, one hand is locked. That's good. Okay, so then he goes down, and then we spin him. Let's see if he comes out. No, he does not, sadly. And yeah.